Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to head out of here for the weekend. So first of all, I'll start off by saying have a safe weekend. I hope everybody has a good Labor Day weekend. Please stay safe, and if you need some catching up, I hate for anybody to have to work on any of their classwork over a holiday weekend. But sometimes if we're working and have everything else going on, that's an easier time to get it done. I'm looking at the schedule, and it looks like most of you have logged in by now and introduced yourself. I'm still trying to go back and answer some of your discussions in between classes and some of the other things I'm doing here at the campus. So a lot of you have done your introduction discussion, so you should already be starting on chapter 1 and discussion 1, which was your introduction. So that was August 30th through September 6th, which runs through Monday. So everybody's pretty caught up by now. If you haven't read, that means you might not have your book. If you don't have your book, that means maybe you haven't got MindTap yet. So I've had some questions come in about MindTap. You will need to purchase the access. It's not part of this course. So we are offering some inclusive courses. So far, this is not considered one of the inclusive access ones that is available to us. So you will need to purchase that, and it is available either in our bookstores. We have them available in both Lubbock and the Levelland and the Reese Campus bookstore. Also, if you go to the Cengage link, you can actually buy it on there. So, how do I get to the Cengage link? The easiest way to do it and to stay within the class is to go to your Blackboard and log on, go to Course Resources in the little menu area. Under Course Resources, you'll click on that and you'll see MindTap, Chapter 1, and all those kind of things. Click on any of those links, and if you've never done anything before, or even if you have, it's going to prompt you to go to a Cengage website, login. So if you've never created one, go ahead and create an account. If you've created one before, maybe for another class, then you will go ahead and just try to retrieve your login information and get on there. Once you do that, it should show you to be in this class and ask you several different questions, including do you want to purchase access? So if you have purchased it, maybe at the bookstore or something like that, and it is giving you something asking for a course key, then that means you did it through Cengage website and not through this Blackboard part. So hopefully that helps. If that doesn't help you to understand, there's a really good quick little video under the announcements. So under announcements, you can go through there, click on the video, look at it. Also under announcements, there is a link where you can actually Zoom with someone from Cengage. So if you're having any kind of issues that you want to address or talk to them about or get some help, you can actually click on that Zoom if you have it downloaded, and you literally pop up right into their little room. You will video chat with them. They can actually take over your screen and show you exactly where to click and help you to prompt through there. So no excuses. You should be able to get into there. So again, you're still okay. Even if you hadn't got the book as of today, you'll want to get it here pretty quick, but you're not behind. So we're still on reading. So for next week or this coming week, September 7th through 13th, it's just continue chapter 1. So continue reading if you haven't read yet. And then you'll have MindTap quiz, which you'll want to do last after your reading. You will get on and do your video case file. It's just a quick little video you watch and answer some questions. I believe you can take that one twice if you don't like your first grade. Then you can take your MindTap quiz. So once you're kind of proficient in that chapter, go through and take a 25-question quiz. I think that's somewhere around 40-something points. As soon as you take that quiz, it'll give you your grade, and you have an option to take it again. These are all to kind of help you study for the bigger tests that we have once we've finished like chapters 1, 2, and 3 down in October. And then one more thing, September 7th actually starts discussion 1, or actually finishes discussion 1. So it says discussion 1 due. So if you have not gone on and done your discussion, you need to do that ASAP. That helps me to find out if you're actually attending. And whenever they give out the final course grades or the final census date, which is on the 7th, I can look on here and say, yes, all of them have been in class. They have attended, even virtually. And at that point, then I can register you as saying, yes, you're good, and you can stay in the class. So that's kind of a college thing. Hopefully this all helps. If not, I've had several people email me. I posted my email in there at the kburns@southplains.college.edu. I also constantly check, but probably about once a day, inside the course resources page. I'm sorry, under the instructor information tab, and it has the in-course Blackboard videos that you can look at. The in-course Blackboard email that will be in there. So it must be Friday. I've been fumbling all over myself. So I think it's time for me to get out of here. you guys have a great weekend, and hopefully everybody is going to be good. If not, I'll probably be checking emails throughout the weekend, and I'll get to you as I can. So have a safe weekend, and we'll see you in a week or so.